popping, OG Squad? I am back with another video. If you're new, you know what to do. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your friends, your family. And today is Vlogmas Day 7. I am super excited because it's been a week now and I've missed only one day, which was like December the 1st, but I am so proud of myself. And as you can see, today's video is again a watercolor painting, and today we're doing Christmas cards. So I'm gonna do 2 cards today and see if you guys like it. Please comment down below what you think. And yeah, right now I'm showing you guys the paints that I'm gonna be putting on my watercolor paintings. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. So before you start painting, you can just like put water on the paper you're using. It really doesn't matter what paper you use, because I wasn't using watercolor paper, but it still came out pretty good and it still blended really well. So yeah, I'll just suggest you wet the paper first and then add your colors. And right now it's putting brown, and yeah. Also guys, I'll suggest you use different shades of green if you have any. And also, I made a mistake in this video because I forgot to let the watercolors dry so I can keep adding and make sure it's like layered. But you can do whatever you want, because if you want value, you can just let it dry and then keep painting over and over again to get like lighter shades and then darker tones and everything. So yeah, hope you guys still like it because it came out pretty good. And guys, please do not make your leaves the same. If you're like watching this video as a tutorial or just to guide you on your next video idea, do not use the same color and do not use the same type of leaves, because obviously you just need a little bit of like different kind of leaves on your watercolor card, because it's going to show a bit more depth in your painting. It's going to make it look nicer. And yeah, do not use the same type of leaves. Honestly, guys, red is like the finishing touch of this card. It just brings out all the life and it's so beautiful because it just, screams Christmas, and I just start to love it more as I paint. So yeah, guys, don't forget to use like a bright red, and again, try and use this red when you're painting or whatever you're doing is dry, because as you all know, watercolors blend super fast because of the water. So make sure you try and put it when it's dry. Unlike me. But yeah, that one's done. And now we're moving on to the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree, I did a triangle outline just so I wouldn't go out of the lines, or so the shape wouldn't be like disfigured kind of. So yeah, start again by wetting your paper, and you guys know the drill. Guys, don't forget to use a lot of green and different types of green. As you can see, I was using dark green there, and then I started using light green again. And yeah, that just helps to bring out the tree. Also, do not go out of shape or like the pattern, because it's gonna look so weird. So next we're going to be doing the Merry Christmas, the wording, and I started by underlining so that my words don't get slanted. And yeah, start by using pencil, I would recommend. Also, I was just pointing out that I added glitter just to make it, pop. But yeah, I started by tracing out the letters, not really tracing out, but trying to, draw out what I was going to do first. And yeah, and then I'll just go over it with some pen, like black pen. So guys, the tree here just needed some outlining on the star and at the bottom where the brown kind of stem is. And I also added glitter to the star just to make it pop. Yeah. And that's just for you guys to know ahead of time what I was doing. And I hope you guys really enjoy this video because I worked so hard. And yeah, I was editing and posting all in one day. So I take the video and then I edit and then I post in one day, and it's so crazy, but I am kind of loving this now. It keeps me so busy, and yeah, it's like I have a job. Yes, guys, finally, this is the finished product. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys try it. And also, you can always add tape over it, like some nice thick tape, just to make sure it looks a little bit more professional and kind of like expensive. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace, love you guys.